The All India Muslim Women Personal Law Board held a meeting with the Law Commission on the issue of the Uniform Civil Code. Now, the important meeting was over the Uniform Civil Code. As we mentioned, most Muslim bodies have supported the UCC. Remember, the idea of Uniform Civil Code has been introduced. We're going to try to... Alright, we've been able to connect with CNN News 18's legal correspondent Ananya to tell us more about what took place during this meeting. Ananya, over to you.
Aisha, the All India Muslim Women Personal Law Board is meeting, in fact, the Law Commission of India. This is, in fact, if you remember, the Law Commission had said that post receiving the public comments on a Uniform Civil Code, they will, in fact, be discussing and meeting the major stakeholders. They would be analyzing those responses, the almost 70 lakh responses that they have received. And in fact, what is very, very categorical at this point of time is that most of the women bodies have, in fact, supported a Uniform Civil Code in the country. Though, as we spoke to Ms. Shaista, who is, in fact, heading this particular body, she had told us very categorically that first they will go into the draft. They will be discussing as to what is the proposed draft of the Uniform Civil Code, and then only would they make a stance as to whether they are supporting or not supporting the Uniform Civil Code. However, the problems like polygamy, the problems like, in fact, giving out a proper maintenance to Muslim women, and in fact, the divorce laws or the laws of talaq being made very, very categorical and simpler for Muslim women is something that is on the cards for all of these women bodies. How does it play out? Whether this will find some kind of a space in the UCC draft or not, that is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. But very categorically and very importantly, this meeting is being held just a day after the AIMPLB, that is the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, had also met the Law Commission of India and had opposed the idea of the UCC, in fact saying that it is categorically against the Muslim, and had also questioned the Law Commission as to if at all the tribals are being excluded, if at all the Christians from the northeastern states are being excluded, then why not Muslims who are being excluded from the Uniform Civil Code? So how all of this plays out, because remember, the Uniform Civil Code debate is right and ripe at this point of time. How does it play out is something that we'll have to still wait and watch for. Aisha.
Absolutely. Ananya, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us those details.